Here's the latest scoop from the world of entertainment, business, and politics, unfolding like a captivating story. 1. Coldplay's Ahmedabad surprise sends hotel prices soaring. Picture this. Rumors are buzzing that Coldplay might add Ahmedabad to their India tour on January 25th. And what happens next? Hotel prices in the city go through the roof. Luxury hotels, which usually charge 25,000 to 78,000 rupees per night, are now quoting rates between 2.5 lakh to 6 lakh rupees. With affordable rooms already sold out, fans are scrambling to secure a place. Will Coldplay make Ahmedabad dance to their tunes? Only time will tell. 2. Nifty and Sensex hit new heights. A stock market celebration. It's a celebration on Dalal Street. Nifty closed above the 26,000 mark for the first time ever, making investors cheer as Sensex followed suit, climbing 255.8 to reach a record breaking 85,169.8. With Power Grid Co-op and Bajaj Finserv leading the charge, the stock market is buzzing with excitement. But while some soared, others like LTI Mindtree and Tech Mahindra took a dip. What's next in this financial roller coaster? Third Bollywood producer versus Netflix, a 247 crore rupee showdown. In the glitzy world of Bollywood, drama isn't just on screen. Producer Vashu Bagnani has taken on streaming giant Netflix, accusing them of not paying him 247.37 crore rupees for the rights to blockbuster films Hero No One, Mission Raniganj, and Bed Mian Chote Mian. The battle is now in the hands of Mumbai police, who've launched an investigation. Will this high stakes clash have a plot twist? 4. Sam Altman's life changing psychedelic journey. It's a tale of transformation for OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Once an anxious, unhappy man, a weekend retreat in Mexico with psychedelics changed everything. Speaking on the Life in Seven Songs podcast, Altman described how the experience helped him find calm and clarity. Now an advocate for psychedelic medicine, his story adds a fascinating twist to the world of tech and self discovery. 5. Alia Bhatt's Hollywood action star moment, pregnant and unstoppable. In the midst of her Hollywood debut Heart of Stone, Alia Bhatt was secretly a superhero in more ways than one. While filming intense action scenes, she was pregnant, but no one could even tell. Her trainer, Anshuka Parwani, revealed how the actress worked out remotely and made it all look like a cakewalk. Talk about a behind the scenes story of strength and grace. 6. Rebel candidates shake up Haryana politics. The political landscape of Haryana is stirring as rebel candidates make their mark in the upcoming elections. BJP's Ranjit Singh Chautala and Devender Kadian have gone rogue, while Congress's Chitra Sarwara and AAP's Adarshpal Gurjar are ready to fight independently. Even businesswoman Savitri Jindal has entered the fray after BJP denied her a ticket. With so many twists, this election is gearing up to be an unpredictable thriller. 7. Jaishankar's clarification on India China border talks. A diplomatic saga unfolds as External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar clears the air on his recent remarks. When he said that 75% progress had been made with China, he was only referring to troop disengagement in eastern Ladakh. He added that more work needs to be done on patrolling issues, and the next chapter will focus on de escalation. The story of India China relations is far from over. 8. Elon Musk sets the record straight on dating rumors. In a plot straight out of a rom com, rumors of Elon Musk dating Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni sparked online after a fan club posted a photo of the duo. Musk quickly responded with, We are not dating. Earlier, he had praised Melanie, calling her authentic and honest, but it seems this is one love story that isn't taking off. The 25 crore rupee retirement plan, a journey from 25 to 60. Imagine starting at 25 with an investment of 2,100 rupees a day. Fast forward to 60, and that careful planning could grow into a massive 25 crore rupee retirement fund. By investing in mutual funds through SIPs and increasing contributions by 10% every year, this financial journey could even balloon to 75 crore rupees by the time you retire. It's a roadmap to a future of financial freedom. And that wraps up today's stories with plenty of drama, excitement, and surprises along the way. Stay tuned for more.